Hi guys, this is Johanna Ali from So Very Joe. Today, I want to share with you guys the early summer patterns that are just dropping at our local Joann's. I walked in there with a list and I did really good and stuck to it. So let's get started. The first pattern I have here is Simplicity 8907. This is a cute, versatile jumpsuit. You can make it jumpsuit, shorts, and then you can have a skirt, a dress option for this. This is really cute. All views. And next we have Simplicity 8908. Oh my God, so cute. It's just your basic shirt dress, but the way that they combined these two fabrics, I love, love, love. Next we have Simplicity 8911. Excuse this here, I got something sticky on it. But anyway, this pattern looks really familiar to one that was all the rage a few summers ago. I got this because it has different sleeve options from the previous pattern, and I like this length. This is my favorite view and probably the one that I'll be making. Next we have Simplicity 8914. This is cute. Again, it looks super easy. Different options. I'm all about different options within one pattern envelope so you get more bang for your buck. And next we have Simplicity 8915. This dress is everything, okay? Look at the back on this. It has an open back tie option, or you could just make the non-back tie option. This dress has ruching in the back. And it was actually Erin from Style So Me who commented on Instagram that this dress is gonna have her booty looking juicy, and that's why I got it. Truth be told, I want my booty to look like this. You think my booty will look like this after I make it? I'll let you guys know. Love the dress. I have the perfect fabric for it that I was actually gonna get rid of, but I'm glad I didn't. It's like a green and white tie-dye. It's gonna be really cute. And then next we have Simplicity 8927. This two-piece is too cute, and you can make it shorter or longer. Love it. Next we have Simplicity 8932. This is a Cynthia Rowley pattern. I always love her stuff. Honestly, not understanding the combination of the two, I got it for the bathing suit because I want to make a bathing suit this summer. And this is cute too in the shorter version. I don't know how they go together. This doesn't look like a cover up to me, but whatever. You're getting two patterns within one. It's cute. It's Cynthia Rowley. Like, you can't go wrong with her stuff. I love it. But we'll see. I don't think I'll make these two together. Next, I have Simplicity 8930. This is another pattern hacking one that Simplicity has. I like this dress just the way that it is. I have one similar to it that's short sleeve. I like the sleeve detail, and then you have a few more options within. Cute. Next we have Simplicity 8931. These skirts are so cute and sporty, and I got it to make a matching skirt to the jacket that I made for my jumper. I will link to it in the description. It was kind of a hit on Instagram. Everybody liked it. It was really fun to make, and I really enjoyed that. So a matching skirt would be really cute with it too. And then, last but not least, I have Simplicity 8932. This is adorable. This bottom and the top and this coverall. I mean, maybe I can make this coverall to go with the Cynthia Rowley bathing suit, but this is so adorable. Love it. And boys and girls, that concludes my pattern haul for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you liked my video, could you please like, follow, and subscribe? And thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.